Hey, baby, what you making?
Sauce, duh.
We always make sauce, baby. What kind of sauce?
So this sauce is called comeback sauce.
Oh my god. So this is comeback sauce?
Yes, I cannot wait to eat this.
High five, baby. So you got first shrimp.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one right on the end here.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
Dip this baby in and eat it.
Comeback sauce.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's good. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the like button. We would really love that.